3, the length of the side of a cube is x cm. So we have a cube here. So if it's given x, so every side here is x. Okay, find the small change in the volume of the cube. So we are talking about volume. So what is the relation between volume and side? Volume is equal to x cube. So find the small change, find delta V when each side decreases from this one to this one. This one is talking about delta x. So V is equal to this one. So this one we can see that V is changing with respect to x. So we can find dV over dx, right? dV over dx is equal to delta V divided by delta x. So we wanted to find delta V, right? So delta V is equal to, we bring to the other side, dV over dx times delta x. Okay, so just now to find delta V, we need to find dV over dx, and we need to find what is our delta x. So here, V is equal to x squared, so dV over dx is equal to 3x squared. So 3 we bring forward, and then we minus the power with 1. So this one is dV over dx. And we know that this one from 2 to this one. So we take the value of from. So when x is equal to 2, dV over dx is equal to 3 times 2 square. So 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. So now we have our dV over dx. So delta x, you can see that changing from 2 cm to 1.99. So the change is 1.99 minus 2, we get negative 0.01. So delta V is equal to dV over dx, which is equal to 12 times delta x. Delta x is negative 0.01. So 12 times negative 0.01, we get negative 0.12. So this one is volume, and we can see that the value is cm. So this one is centimeter cube. For the small change in the volume of a sphere when its radius decrease. Okay, so we are talking about sphere, right? So we have to know what is the volume. So the volume is 4 over 3 pi r cube. So this one is the volume of a sphere. Okay, so we know that the volume change with respect to the radius. So radius decrease. So radius decrease, this one is the change in radius. So from this one we can find dV over dr, right? And we also know that dV over dr is equal to delta V over delta r. So the question want to find small change in volume. So delta V is equal to, bring to the other side, dV over dr times delta r. So here dV over dr is equal to, so r is power of 3, 3 times 4 over 3, 3 times 4 over 3 pi r3 minus 1, we get 2. So we can cancel out 4 pi r square. So we see a radius decreases from 5 cm to 4.98. So we take the value of from, because this one is the initial one. So here when r is equal to 5, dV over dr is equal to 4 pi times 5 square. So 25 times 4, we get 100 pi. So we get already our dV over dr. So delta r is equal to, so 5 to 4.98. So 4.98 minus 5, we get negative 0.02. So negative 0.02 is delta r. So we can find delta V. Delta V is equal to, so delta r, the radius is basically in cm. So delta V is equal to dV over dr. dV over dr is 100 pi times delta r is negative 0.02. So we multiply 100 times negative 0.02. Here we get negative 2, which is negative 2 pi. This one is changing, it decreases. So the volume decreases, negative 2 pi. This one is in centimeter. So volume cube. So negative mean decrease and positive mean increases.